Hey Lior, how's it going? Thank you very much for opening this video. My name is Lucas, and I make you this little video of three things that I found on your website that you can fix really easily. So you can start beating Lars Remodel and Miramar Kitchen and Bath. These guys are when you look for San Diego Kitchen Remodel, the guys that pop at the very top on Google, alright? And you could be there with no problem by just implementing these three things that I'm gonna tell you about. So, and then get all the business and all that extra calls that come with it. So, you may wonder why I make this video for you. This is because I know business owners are really busy taking care of their business and their customers, so they don't really have time to learn how to use the internet, bring them more business, or when it comes to hire somebody to do that for you, it's hard to tell who's an expert and who's not. So I like to make these videos for business owners, these educational videos, and send it to them for free so they can have all the information. And some of them, they like to take it and put it in action themselves, but a lot of them, they call me and they have me doing it for them. Either option is okay with me. I just do this because it's my passion and it's what I like to do. But if you like what you see in the video and you want me to help you get in there, just give me a call or send me an email and I'll be more than happy to do so. That said, let's jump into it. Google uses three main things to rank a website at the very top. That is content, backlinks, and citations. Content, as you can imagine, is everything that is on your website. All the text, all the pictures, how the pictures are saved as, and also what is behind those pictures. You see, you have 80 words. Google usually like to see about 2,000 words of keyword-rich content, okay? So, as you see, one of the competitors, Lars Remodel, has a lot of content, a lot of pictures, a lot of letters, okay? When you put it here and you paste it, you can see that they have about 1,500 words of keyword-rich content. A keyword is basically the terms and phrases that people are looking up on Google regarding the services that you provide. By that I mean San Diego Kitchen Remodel, kitchen remodeling companies in San Diego, uh, San Diego remodeling companies near me, or stuff like that, you know? You find what terms they're looking up the most, and then you drop them several times within those 2,000 words of content, all right? That way, when somebody looks it up, Google can find your website and put it on the very top. Second thing I want to tell you about is backlinks. Backlinks are basically when another website puts a link that when somebody clicks in it, it takes it back over here to your website. That is basically what a backlink is. And when the way it works for Google is like a popularity contest kind of thing. They love to see a lot of relevant websites vouching for you. And that means then you can get a backlink for any website. But if you get a backlink for a website that talks about fashion or food, it's not as strong as if another remodeling or construction company gives you a backlink. Google loves to see backlinks from companies that vouch for you and they are within the same niche. Okay, that's what's really giving you the power and the trust for Google in order to be ranking here at the very top. Okay, so how you do with the backlinks is we use a tool called Ahrefs. Over here, I put your website and I see that you don't have any referring domains. No, it's no website out there that is mentioning your website. When you go here and you see Large Remodel, sorry, and you take their website and you put it on Ahrefs right here, you see that they have 74 referring domains. This means 74 websites out there. Somewhere in the website they have links that when you click it, they take them back over here. Okay? And Miramar Kitchen and Bath, which is your other competitor, as you see a lot of content too, they have 38 referring domains. So how can you fix this? You go through all these websites, all the referring domains for them, and you copy them. If they're good to rank them, they're good to rank you as well. So you just go, make a profile, and drop a link to your website on that profile. And then once you're done with that, you add some extra ones. That way you make sure that you just don't match them, you beat them. So with the 2,000 words of keyword rich content and these backlinks, you'll be securing this first spot in no time. All right. Last thing but not least is the citations. And the citations is what it gets you here. The good thing is that this is completely free. Okay. And all you need to do is have more citations than your competition. A citation is your business information listed in directories all throughout the web. And a directory is basically like yellow pages, okay? White pages, Facebook, Yelp, Angie's List, House, all that kind of thing. So it's thousands out there. You just need more than them. So basically, what I would do is copy the ones they have, check how many they have, the top guys, and copy them. If they have 150, I would probably go with 300. At least I would put 100 more. So that way, when you outrank them and they start building more because they realize they lost that first spot, you can start doing the same thing. So you make really, really hard for them to ever recover it. Okay. So with that, you'll be ranking at the very top of Google and getting all the business and all the calls that come with it. You're interested in doing this though, I would recommend you to start doing it as soon as possible because implementing all this takes some time, and the sooner you're done, the sooner your phone will be ringing. Okay, so if you like the video and you like what you see and you want me to help you, please give me a call or send me an email. If you want to do it yourself, feel free to take all this free education and do it yourself. But what I really appreciate is you can give me a little feedback on the video since I do these things for free, and that would really make my day. Thank you and have a wonderful day.